Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you my nighttime cleaning routine, but let's be honest, it is different every single night depending on how I'm feeling, what I have done that day, and if I have any energy left to get any cleaning done. So I'm going to show you the basics of what I do every single night, and then if I am having just a really good night, I will add some different things here and there, but this is the bare basics of what I do every single night. So tonight for dinner I am making this bad boy. It's spinach artichoke chicken, and I am using Home Chef. Home Chef is a meal kit service. They deliver food right to your door. I don't know about you, but meal planning is not something that I find enjoyable. And I also, since I have had a child, find grocery shopping to be a little bit stressful as well. So I love that Home Chef brings meals to my door. I don't have to think about what I'm going to cook that night. I don't have to think about going to the grocery store. All I have to do is pull a bag out of the fridge, cook that meal up in just about 30 minutes, and serve a delicious home-cooked meal to my family. That is what I love. Home Chef makes cooking simple and delicious with 14 menu options, including vegetarian and low-calorie options at just $9.95 per serving. You can skip the grocery store, save time, and create delicious meals in just about 30 minutes. Each recipe includes pre-portioned ingredients, which eliminates food waste since you only receive exactly what you need. If you would like to try Home Chef out for yourself, click the link in the description and use the code Allison30OFF for $30 off your first order. And there is the final result. It looks so yummy. I cannot wait to try it. How is it? Is it good? Mm-hmm. These chicken breasts are bigger than they look.
Pretty good.
So the first thing that I do for my nighttime cleaning routine is clean up after dinner. On this particular night, I had forgotten to run the dishwasher that day, and so the dishwasher was full. So I'm gonna wash the dishes that I normally would wash by hand and leave the dishes that I would normally put in the dishwasher to load up in the morning.
Well, we can be live with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Let's be free with me.
I don't wash the sink out every single night, but I do it most nights because I love to have a clean sink. I feel like it makes the kitchen feel that much cleaner.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
And then I like to give the floor a quick vacuum to pick up any of the crumbs that were dropped during the day, or especially those that were dropped while I was cooking dinner. Cleaning off the stainless steel is one of those things that I don't do every single night, but I noticed that it really needed to be done this night, and I was feeling particularly energetic and feeling pretty good, so I went ahead and just got the refrigerator done. Then I move on to Emerson's room because she's going to be going to bed very soon, and I want to get her room just kind of neatened up and straightened up. That way we can have a fresh start the next morning. And I usually do this right after she has taken a bath and I have gotten her all ready for bed. Once I'm done in Emerson's room, I move on to the rest of the house and I will pick up Emerson's toys. She has 3 areas of the house that we keep toys in, and let's be honest, she's a little tornado. Everywhere she goes, she leaves a little bit of a trail behind her. This is what we do every single night before we go to bed. We have milk and some kind of a snack. Tonight she's having organic animal cookies. And we watch Mickey Mouse. Is this our routine? Am I in your way? Do you love me? Do you love me? And then I neaten up the living room, fluff the pillows, fold the blankets, and that is all for my nighttime cleaning routine. For the most part, this is what I do every single night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please show me by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell button if you have not already. That way you don't miss any of my videos coming up. Check out Home Chef and use Allison30 off to get $30 off your first order. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.